Taruna, can you see this picture?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Right. Mm. Daruni, you please try this question. Question number 4. Question number 5. Question number 6. Question number 7.
සර් ඒ ටික විතරද?
Oh, ඒ ටික දැනට කරන්නකෝ. මේ අනිත් අය කනෙක්ට් කරනකම්.
ඕකේ සර්.
It's okay. Now, is it clear? Can you see? Daruni? Please do these marks questions. I have marked few questions. Question number 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Do these questions quickly. Correct, finish. Taruni.
සර් 8 එකත් කරන්න ඕනද?
8 එක ඕනේ. 9, 10. Yes, then we will start the lesson. Have to revise these things. I have corrected some mistakes. You have sent me some answers. So according to those answers, I have to correct. I have to do corrections. So let's do these revisions to understand, to revise the previous concepts. Then we can start our lesson, today lesson. Finish? Have you finished?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. Quickly complete it. Hello, Haruni. Now let's discuss. I think it's enough. Everyone, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Right. Please check your answers. You completed so far. I'll start from question number 4. Here, we have to revise indices rules. You know, first rule, when bases equal, in the multiplication of powers, we can add indices. 2 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 5, have to add indices. 5 plus 5, 10. Is it true or false?
True.
Arune? True. This is true. First one, true. Correct it. B, part A, okay. Part B, 6 to the power 3, 6 to the power 7.
False.
This is false because this answer must be 10. 6 to the power 10. This statement is false. This is false. 4 to the power 3, 4 to the power 9. That answer also
False.
false. Correct answer must be 3 plus 9, 12. Answer, correct
About
answer 12. This is false. Then part D. 3 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 10. Answer is 3 to the power 15. Is it true or false? That's true.
True.
Yes, very good. That's true. Okay, question number 5. Write in words and as a formula the rule for the multiplying a to the power m, a to the power n. Write two terms with the same base. Let's write this one. A to the power m multiplied by a to the power n. Tell me the answer. What must be the answer? A to the power
M plus N.
m plus n, right? That's the thing. Next one, use the rule to copy and complete each question, right? Let's see. 5 to the power 4 times 5 to the power 2 in the multiplication of powers, you have to add indices. 4 plus 2, this answer is 6. Please correct it. Answer is 5 to the power 6. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. B, 4 to the power 5, 4 to the power 3. Answer is 4 to the power
8.
8. Yes, because we have to add indices in multiplication of powers. Next one, 10 to the power 5, 10 to the power 7. What might be the
10
answer?
to the power
10 to the power 7 plus 5?
12.
12. That's the correct answer. Okay, very good. Great. Next one, 9 to the power 3, 9 to the power 2. Have to
9
add
to the power 5.
Yes, answer is 9 to the power 5.
5.
Yes. Next one, n to the power 3, n to the power 8. What's the answer? N to the power n to the power
11.
11. P to the power 3, p to the power 7. What's the answer?
P to the power 10.
P to the power 10. Okay, very good. Evaluate each expression. In this case, we have to evaluate, division. In the division, we have to subtract indices. 3 to the power 6 divided by 3 to the power 3. What's the answer? 3 to the power 3. This one, correct. This answer is 3 to the power 3. In front of it, its answer is given. 5 to the power 8 divided by 5 to the power 3. What's the answer?
5 to the power
5.
5.
5 to the
Correct.
power 5. You can see it. Correct answer in front of this. Then 2 to the power 8 divided by 2 to the power 6. In the division of powers, have to subtract indices. That one also correct. 2 to the power
2 to the
2.
10 to the power 8 divided by 10 to the power 4. In this case, you please subtract indices in the division of powers. Answer is 10 to the power 4. That
4.
answer also correct. Question number 8. We have to write some notice about the question. All the answers are correct. Answers are expression. What is the notice? Answer of the first one given in part 2. Part 1 is the question. Answer is part 2. That's correct. Question 9. Question number 9. Is it true 4 to the
Yes.
power 8 divided by 4 to the power 6, 4 to the power 2? Is it true?
True.
Yes.
Yes. What's the reason? This is true.
A to the power m divided by a to the power n equal to a to the power n minus n.
Yes, true. You can write this one here. We have to subtract in the division of powers, right? That you can write 8 minus 6 equals 2 also. Okay, right? That's answer is true. Next one. Determine whether each equation is true or false. You have to write in front of it, true or false. True or false?
True.
First one,
True.
10 to the power 3, 10 to the 3 to the power 10, 3 to the power 6. Here division. In the division of powers, have to subtract. Answer is 3 to the power 4. Statement is true. B, 4 to the power 8 divided by 4 to the power 2. Answer is
False.
that's subtract, that's false. Statement false. 2 to the power 12 divided by 2 to the power 3. Answer is 2 to the power 4. Is it
False.
false? Yes. 6 to the power 10 divided by 6 to the power 5. Answer is 6 to the power 5. Answer is
True.
False.
right. So, okay. Here, this is the way of simplifying indices according to indices rules, right? Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Right. Okay. After this session, we can start new lesson. The first one I have done as a revision because ninth one answer is true. Ninth answer is true, right? Give reason in the division of powers. We have to subtract indices, right? Show it how to subtract. Right, let's see. We have done this one. Dividing rule. Can you write dividing rule for this one? A to the power m and a to the power n. Darune, can you write dividing rule for this one?
Cancel.
Yes, please write it. And then quickly complete question number 12 also before the next meeting. Right? Is it okay? Let's see. Have you complete it.
No, sir.
Mhm.
Finish, sir.
Right, good. පලිඟු ඉන්නවද?
ඔව් සර්.
මේ අර යාළුවා ආවද?
ඔව්.
right, right. right පුතේ. එතකොට අපි මේක ඉවර කරලා ලෙසන් එකට යමු. Write in words the formula rule for dividing a to the power m, a to the power n. What's the rule? A to the power m
Divide a to the power
divided
n equal
by
to
a
the
to
power
the power n. In this case, in the division of powers, we have to subtract indices. Answer is a to the power m minus n. This is the expression.
n minus n.
Yes. Please check your answers. Next one. This is 2 to the power 6 divided by 2 to the power 3. Division rule. You know division rule. We have written it here. This is the rule. 2 to the power 6 divided by 2 to the power 3. In the division of powers, please subtract indices. 6 minus 3. Answer is 2 to the power 3. Please correct it. 2 to the power 3 is the answer. Next one. 10 to the power 8 divided by 10 to the power 6. What's the
10 to
answer?
the power 2. 10 to the power 2.
Yeah, subtract indices. 8 minus 6 is what's it? 2. 10 to the power 2 is the answer. Next one, 3 to the power 7 divided by 3 to the power 2. What's the answer? With the division of
power five.
powers, in the division of powers, subtract 2 from 7. Answer is 3 to the power
5.
5. Next one, 4 to the power 11, 4 to the power divided by 4 to the power 6 in the division of powers. What's the answer?
4 to the power 5.
4 to the power 5 is the answer. Next one, x to the power 8, x to the power 5.
X to the power 3.
8, x to the power 5. Division of powers. You please subtract these indices. Subtract these indices. 8 minus 5. What's the answer? X to the
X
power
to the 3.
3. X to the power 3. Here in this case, don't multiply powers. You just subtract only indices, right? Base is same, right? Next one. G to the power 12, G to the power 10. Answer is G to the power
2.
2.
2. G to the power 2 is the answer, right? We have complete this exercise. after next meeting, let's start next indices rule, right? We have 1 minute more. Connect again to the meeting after 1 minute, right? Then we can start new lesson.